How's it going, guys? First things first, on this oil change, we're going to be loosening up the oil drain plug. Unscrew the oil drain plug by hand, pull it out, drain the oil. Put the drain plug back in. Make sure it's good and tight. This is your oil filter. You're going to be removing this in a counterclockwise rotation. Pre-fill your new oil filter and install it. Next, go up top, take off the oil filler cap. Insert a funnel, and you're going to be putting in the oil. This engine, it uses 5 quarts of oil with an oil filter change. These right here are just oils I've had laying around for quite a while. Half the bottles are empty, half the bottles are full. So what I'm doing is I'm taking all these bottles and I'm putting them in the engine. I'm not going to run them very long. In fact, I'm going to run them for about 100 miles and then I'm going to do another oil change on this. Right there in between the 2 lines, that's where you want your oil. Well, that was easy. Cool, oil change done. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for commenting down below. Thanks for liking the video, and I'll see you in the next one.